you. Yeah. Today is the first day of the second batch of the art session. वो सिखाना है. So in evening, for the very first time, I have hosted a meetup of artists. And then also we have to study for the exam that is on Monday. वो भी है. So yeah. So today of the first session ये है कि yeah. Look what she gave me. A butterfly. I was just reading. यहीं पे मैं सो गई मतलब. Okay, we need to study now for the Monday's exam and then get ready for the meetup. Have lunch and then get ready. I couldn't record the meetup, the artist meetup that I had called on in the society that I live in. 3 of them showed up. It was the first meetup. Actually, I forgot to record because I actually wanted to capture how an artist meetup is. Like, since we met around 5:45 p.m. and we literally came home around 9:30 p.m. or 10 o'clock. And we were only talking continuously about the artworks, the other professions that they are in, and etc. And I'm looking forward कि मैं और अभी meetups organize करूँ. What might come out through those meetups? Regarding study did not happen. It's like when you come in masters, you're familiar with almost all the subjects that are required for the law course, be it masters or LLB. तो इतना पढ़ाई सीरियसली होता नहीं है unless it's a very technical subject. Technical subject अब है कौन सा? मुझे तो नहीं है. Today is Monday and today I have an exam that is CSR, corporate social responsibility. Studies for that subjects. Like, I haven't even made notes. मैंने सीधा Google and उसके लिए कौन नोट्स बनाता है. So it's like now 1:30 p.m. I have my exams and it's already 11 a.m. So it's like we get ready, we go to college and we study over there. ये हाल होता है एडमिट कार्ड हॉल टिकट. दो यस कल था CSR. I wrote it in 2 hours, 1:30 to 3:30. 3:30 sharp I'm outside. Amity में follow होता है 60-40 का pattern. So 2 hours is sufficient. Like paper like CSR, I mean बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं CSR this, CSR that and whatever. I wanted to write an article since a long time on a topic. So usually for law students, it's very important that you write any article or any blogs or whatever, but relating to law, like connecting law to any other any aspect that you want to write. And ये मेरे को LLB के days में I wasn't aware of this. I got to know at the last sem कि that also brings credibility to yourself. Article on artist thing कि I mean I thought what will I write into? I don't want to go much deep into constitution and criminal. तो मैंने सोचा what practice area I want to select, that is on that I do. तो मैंने artistic side लिया और IPR side लिया and I try to intersect that and I wrote a short article on it and I posted on whatever platforms we have. We are very actually lucky that we don't need to pay to publish. It's like we can put it out on LinkedIn, Insta, we can video on YouTube and put it out. I wrote on a second one which was relating to the National Treasure, जो कि 167 crore के लिए, the painting that got sold, and it was in Mumbai itself. And so I thought this is a fresh one. So I'd also been to see that painting. As an artist, you want to see what is that 167 crore painting, and it was awesome. I mean, as an artist, I mean, you should definitely keep that goal to reach. Now, currently, I want to write on is, so more than an artist, as a law student, I was curious that how does one protect their artwork. The another benefit for me was I could trial and error on my own artwork. So I wanted to see how is the registration process for copyright. तो मैंने अपना जो latest artwork था, not latest, I had done one artwork which was completely with my own imagination and the components and elements. This one, and I told, so I was like, I'll try copywriting this, and because I'll get to understand the process of how it is. And more on that side is like I want to help artists. Like I'm looking forward to help artists who are into dilemma like me, but it's more benefit to me because I'm a law student, so I'm not a layman to this law language. This is more than typing. While writing, your thoughts flow very nicely. Because I have this diary, like mainly for script writing and for article writing. So I made this. It's like I have this new one. I have this article that can this artwork be protected, and then I will write how and why did I register the artwork and the process of copywriting. It's not that difficult that you need an expert for that. I mean, at least until registration is done. But after that, to actually get a copyright, what is it? Still, I'm going through that process. So once I understand everything, I want to really share it. And if it really helps even one artist, it's so nice. This is the draft that I put it out on the LinkedIn. It's like, can this artwork be protected? And I have also attached like a reference, like a photo कि कौन सा artwork क्या बात कर रही हो. Yeah, that's it for the video.